Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. I pay special attention to my garden. I make sure to remove the weeds, remove dead leaves around plants and water my garden more often. My mother also grows tomatoes and some seasonal vegetables on the side of garden. They taste fresh and tasty. There is also a variety of aromatic herbs like mint, carandia, and aloe vera on one side of garden. It because of my mother efforts that no matter how warm the temperature is, my garden always has a burst of cool air. This is because the trees and plants is my garden make the atmosphere cooler than the surrounding areas. And another benefit of having garden is that it keep me busy and away from useless activity. I love to sit in my garden under the shadow of trees and read books. I also love to walk in my garden is my leisure time. Gardening reduced my stress level after an exhausting day. It soothes my mind and body. I can spend countless hours in my garden without getting bored. During weekends, I love to eat breakfast with my family in garden and enjoy sun. My garden is also a place where I find actual peace and comfort. I take care of my garden with all my heart. I never let my plant to get dry and water them every day. It is an amazing feeling to see these plants grow day by day. I feel accomplished when I see my plants and trees bearing fruits. I feel so connecting with nature in my garden. In today's era, no one builds a garden in their houses because of lack of space. Some people also consider garden as a waste of space. Having your own garden is such an amazing feeling. I am so proud of myself. Thank